Howdy, PreCal. It is Miss Kosh. I wanted to show you how to do a regression on Desmos. So we have this example here. This is appears to be, and it is quadratic. And so we're going to do a quadratic regression. I will say our calculators can do quadratic. There's a lot of options that they can do. These other ones they can't do, so we'll have to talk through how to do that by hand. And I will show you how to do this one by hand, or I think I already did in the video, but I want to show you on Desmos. So let me see if I remember. So it's 5, 6, 7, and then 2, -1, -10. Let's see if I can remember that. So I'm going to come over to Desmos, and I'm going to add a table, and I'm going to enter in those values. No, there was a 2, but it's 5, enter 6, enter 7, and then over here it was 2, enter -1, enter -10. Okay, and so it has graphed those points for me right there. And what I can do, you'll notice, I can't really point to, do you see in this blue bar over here? There is this line with some dots. If I hit that button, all of a sudden it will do a regression for me. Well, and I have options. I can do a linear regression, a quadratic regression, a cubic regression, and well, you can keep reading all these different ones. The one that we decided we wanted to do is a quadratic regression. And so all I have to do is put them in a table, hit the little button off to the side. It'll automatically give me a regression with a drop-down menu and let me figure out which one I want to do. And so I can even take this, if I hit these 3 little dots over there, it lets me export as a custom regression. And so I can write that, I can have this graph, here, let's make this go away. Well, okay. So I have this, I'm turning it off and on. So it's graphing the points in purple. It's graphing the regression that it gave me. And then it's graphing this equation using those, the parameters that we just created. So sometimes it can be helpful to manipulate that or whatever. I feel like maybe what I did before is I said, if I come here and say f of x equals that, oh no, that changed things. Okay, never mind, we won't do that. But you can have the calculator, or have Desmos put this right here, and then you can do other things. So I think that's pretty snazzy. So our equation that we just generated was -3x squared plus 30x minus 73. Is that right? So with our, oh, my pencil turned off. I have f of x, I think I just said -3x squared plus 30x minus 73. Let's see if I remembered that correctly. -3, positive 30, -73. Yes, and now I will go back to finishing your video, or excuse me, finishing your answer key. And yeah, so like, subscribe, comment, and let me know how I can help you. And of course, you can't learn math without practicing, so go practice.